What it do, y'all? It's your boy Bright, back with a new car video on the most expensive Starlights. Everything this nigga Len do is the most running from the cops. Like you would think Len be on 5 stars every time he start a video. It's always something illegal with this guy. Like this isn't really an illegal thing, but like he just exaggerate everything. But that's what you gotta do as a YouTuber though. I love his I don't know what this called. Like I love his video, like how he just be like it just be hard. Like these little clips right here, how he just make it look like this, like a music video. I forgot what it's called. The B-roll. He has the best B-roll for a car channel.
I'm nice, bro. No! Hey! 10.3! Think it's time to go get him. Cat ain't riding the G no more. The holy behind keep on. Turn the ears into a listen. Don't try to rewind, keep on.
Like this shit is so hard.
I promise, it's not stolen. On today's adventures with Srt Len.
How you get up there?
With Srt Len, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make your car look like a
What do you say fuck me for?
Yo, bro. What are you doing?
What the fuck you think I'm doing? It's Christmas.
This guy, I tell you. Instead of working up there for free, how about you come down here and do my Starlights? Whatever the you're doing, actually.
Not for free?
Not for free.
No. This is done by a professional.
Oh, you're a professional?
Yeah.
You do this all day?
I went to school for this.
No cap.
Oh.
I don't even think he finished school, but...
Bro.
Oh sh.
Spider face!
I'm out, man.
Well, would you like to tell him about our project today?
Well, yeah, I mean, I've did this a bunch of times. You just gotta, put the starlights in the roof.
Help! Police! Help!
It's easy. It's an easy job, right?
Yeah.
Well, you got 1,000 Starlights, bud.
I thought it was 400.
You're done. No, it's 1,000.
Fuck.
Are you ready?
I mean, yeah, for 2 bands.
I don't have that kind of money.
I just spent $20,000 yesterday.
That was cause they hit the light goal when I bought the big turbo kit.
Yo, Dave, where's Lenny at?
I don't know, bro. I think he went that way.
Alright, I'm gonna go check real
I
quick.
really didn't like this new Beamer, but he low-key convinced me on it.
Yo,
I still hate the front grills of new Beamer.
Tell him what just happened, Jordan.
You just saved $2,800 on Turbo Kit.
Do me a favor.
That's still not good. That's still $8,000.
You got a big homie.
8,000.
You're not helping, Jordan. You're not. Not f***ing help. I still ain't doing it. My ass doesn't completely hurt yet. It's slowly getting open.
Wow, man.
Like I said last video, if y'all got the light goal, I'll buy the turbo kit. Wait, why do I have gloves on? I'm not working on no one's.
How much horsepower is he already getting on the Beamer?
BMW S58 single turbo, $8,416. This with shipping cost on there. What the? Oh, he's spending $8,000. He didn't have to charge me for shipping. I don't have that type of money. Bro, send me something, bro. Like, I'm actually going broke. These niggas, what are you doing? Hey! Got him. You have to be here for this big.
How much money is he making, bro? 8,000 on turbo.
This is considered.
You get like 3 cars.
What a glove on.
You're done. Download the invoice. You're done. Cook.
It's done, Jordan.
Congratulations. You're about to go fast, bro.
Did that shit look cool though? Like jumping off the
He
roof?
gotta be going like he gotta be getting like 1,000 after you do the turbo, right?
We're already starting this shit early.
I don't know why he don't wide body it.
So can we get to work? Can we like lock in yet? All right, what do we have to do first?
What the fuck was that noise?
He don't wide body none of his cars actually.
Even though the car's not started.
That nigga's tripping. Then you gotta pull the whole thing down. You gotta do it on that side. Then you have to pull this out too.
Remember, don't fuck nothing up, because the headliner in this costs $40K, and we're gonna be waiting for the dealer for 6
Dead ass?
40K, huh?
Take that shit to the dealership. This car's so new. Think about it. The Chinese in the factory put this shit in once and then never took it out.
You're the Chinese food?
That's gotta be racist.
Wait, I'm in German.
That's crazy, and that's racist.
Where's your dad? I want your dad to pull it, bro.
Wait a minute.
This is about to break everything in this bitch. He's not a professional.
You got me.
He lied up there.
No. This is done by a professional.
You put that on his resume so he could get the job. You're not getting paid for this.
We fucking got him.
A-pillar trim in your newer BMW.
So you're not a professional, huh? How you won't work at BMW but can't work at BMW? Bro, pull it, bro! Pull it!
Stop. You know I don't do good under pressure.
You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8,
Start counting
7,
down.
6. Stop! comes.
They're gonna put the Starlights in the car themselves? No way.
That's
Y'all don't know what Ali goes through on a daily basis.
When he's home alone with his dad.
all right.
That's why he doesn't want to point the camera over her.
Oh, you hear that?
Oh yeah, that's a good sound. That's a
I mean,
great
it's
sound.
coming apart?
Man, I could put this in one hand. Nigga.
1, 2, 3. What? Stop! It's scary, bro.
Man, I could put this shit in one hand.
What? No! Stop! What the fuck? What type of Batman button is that? What the fuck?
That's how you call JJ Peanut Butter. JJ Peanut Butter, we need your help.
I need donuts.
We need a treadmill. Bro, this nigga can't even get approved for a motor Corolla. Imagine if he breaks this shit.
I remember them
It doesn't
phones.
come out like that.
You might have to unscrew this part, actually.
Alright, ABS. That's a 30-minute video. They gotta get some
For
point.
a long time.
Oh no, I never did a BMW.
They're not good mechanics. We got junk bag.
Nigga bent the whole shit.
The headline. We need words. So I'm thinking we do. Look, right here. Kawaki. Is that easy? Slush.
Why?
$1 million idea.
It looked cool though, but why?
That's $1 million. I didn't even have to do nothing. I could have literally done that with my foot.
Yo.
Stupid ass.
I wouldn't even say these niggas chain. I would just say these niggas weren't really. They would've had a
What
nigga.
thing?
One day I'ma run away with my gut.
I'm rapping. I'm a
Things
mic
in pain.
One day I'ma run away with
My
bitch.
dreams.
Take her to the paint.
He doesn't care about the age difference.
So we had to get our lazy asses out. Oh, shit. Like I was saying before we was rudely interrupted, we had to get our fat ass, lazy asses up. We need to print out the walkie slush. We need to spend more money. I mean, we need to buy.
Are they putting the lights in themselves?
Or fuck.
In the street, there's no mercy. No love in that field.
Some smart ass
You know that
youngins.
shit because we kill for real. 50 mouth say he gon' kill me. Gotta be off a pill for real. Nigga knew to clutch that gun the other way. Nigga know.
They are putting them in themselves. Why all his friends light skin?
Yo, Dave call. Yo, somebody calling you, bro.
Yo.
Trying to do these breaks or what?
Bro, I have no fucking headliner in my car, Dave.
No headline.
There's no fucking headliner, Dave. Oh, bro, we've been working on these fucking stars all night.
Fuck you, fast fly.
Fuck, we coming right now, bro. Whatever. I'm gonna see you when I get there, Davey.
Don't take forever.
I'm not, bro. Where the fuck did this come from?
I got black, I got white.
Where did the shirt come from?
You do like
It's getting
Tekken.
weird here. You see what we got going on here? The walkie slush is complete. All we gotta do is the fucking stars that go around the whole headline. And then the big problem is we're gonna be putting it back in.
It's like picking it out, man.
Let me get dressed, y'all. We're about to go paint my brakes or whatever. Yo, y'all, I know my white man mobile kind of looks stolen, but I promise it's not stolen.
He's going 201 miles per hour in his BMW.
It's actually financed.
You got me.
We're about to make our way down to Philly so that we can get these beautiful.
The best thing to do to finance your car. Don't be buying cars right out.
Match the headlights, if you feel what I'm saying. Or we could go wide. I actually don't know. So when we get there, we're gonna see what Dave thinks.
Oh,
We're
they're
also
skipping
gonna see
ahead,
what y'all
brody.
think in the SRT boys group chat. But y'all know it's like, oh,
Loud, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I want to get that for my car. The little, what, a 360 cam?
ship that.
No, that's kind of
Nah,
loud, bro.
that is loud. Never
That
mind.
is loud. My fault.
I take back what I said.
Oh my god.
It sounds like a bomb.
We gonna get one on Beamer soon.
Launch in the rain. Now bang out.
All right.
I'm gonna give me one of these soon, man.
Something hanging off?
It's gotta lock in on this content.
See you later.
All right, safety. Don't bang out.
Getting a striker easy. All you need is a pro.
Well, this is how my life
He
started.
played that song.
Hi, buddy. Purple looks nice. Pink calibers or white calibers? On that one? I see white.
White.
Come out in the skinny jeans.
Matter of fact, where did Dave go?
Oh, I hear him.
Dave, come back, Dave. Where's this
What
nigga
kind of
for real?
clothes is he wearing? He got webs under his arm?
Don't even start it up. Put it in neutral and let it roll. But if you wonder how
You hear that shoe?
Do me a favor.
Pink headlights is fire though. Pink calibers too. Oh no.
See, he's fucking me up now. Because if I do the pink calibers, I can't wear skinny jeans no more.
Yo,
I'm dead. Order 2.
It's power in the tongue, I still be trying to beat the streets. What you know about going through some hell and trying to keep it G? I had beat your block, you had got off instead of beating feet.
A lot of car shows need to learn from Len. They need to watch what Len do, and you know what I'm saying, and copy what he do when it comes to his B-roll and shit. He getting views, he growing.
What are we doing?
I think he gotta be one of the biggest upcoming.
Come to my account and join the SRT Boys chat.
Show them how to do
It's
it.
just right there. SRT Len, SRT Boys. What are you doing? Why are you not in it yet? Break color for M4. White
LeBron James.
or pink.
Fuck you, Fast
This is
Fly.
how easy it is. Y'all better join up. You get
I fuck with the pink. You should do
I
pink.
like that, like behind the scenes shit, and you get to make choices on what I do in my next video. Everyone's saying pink. Davey, we are doing pink.
Told you, bro. Come out in the skinny jeans.
764 so far.
That was this right now?
Yeah, we
This
just
is right
asked
now. 250 said white. So I'm in a stolen P6.
Oh, yeah.
Seems about reasonable.
The beauty.
Funny, bro.
I stole a chain today. Oh.
I'm trying to see the Starlights.
It's red. Yo, I swear, old don't see the right color.
All right, look at this count. One drop.
There you go.
Damn, every time I do something to a car, it just hurts.
Okay.
Bro, I don't deserve these cars, bro. What the f am I doing, Dave?
I want to try.
Fuck it. At this point, f it.
Oh, this not gonna work.
Okay,
This
stop,
not gonna work.
This not gonna work?
Stop.
Show you how to really do it.
That the walkie switch.
The walkie switch. Walkie switch has been acquired. Only at level 55. I'm about to prestige.
Shut the fuck up.
Show 'em how this shit really gets
I ain't
done.
played COD in so long.
Ass. It's only been 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'll give you a F for that.
You give me an F?
Yeah.
Bro, you're supposed to be my mans.
Whoa.
Do I go this way or this way?
Go up and down.
You go
Whatever.
whatever.
Now I know the brake looks plain without the beautiful M. I'm kind of sad that the M is gone as well. But I have an idea, and all y'all boys in the SRT Boys chat say, yeah, we're gonna go to Buffet. We're gonna get Mr. Sam to print out walkie.
That's cool.
Walkie.
And purple, right?
That's a good one.
That's gonna be hard. I should do white, right? Y'all just gotta see the vision, bro. White rims, pink brakes, white walkie, purple car.
Oh, white rims would be
turbo.
hard.
We doing that. Carbon fiber hood. Money. Carbon fiber wide body. Carbon fiber door. The whole shit gonna be carbon fiber, bro.
Another 50,000.
Carbon fiber door. You got a black door?
Nigga, it's Mr. Disrespectful. I don't go fuck who you is, nigga. I will disrespect you.
I want to see the white rims in this video. Freak ass young bull.
You ready to see your beautiful work, my good Davy, sir?
Let me see.
Gotta treat it like some paint. You're a good guy, bro. That is fucking nice. I'm so excited to go pick up the hose. I do everything for the hose. I yell in front of the hose. I show up for the hose. I wear nice clothes for the hose. And I paint my car for the hose. I'm gonna show off.
I believe him. Why else would a grown man with a purple car hit calibers?
I don't know, bro. I think Nick was right.
This is some tutti frutti ass shit.
Definitely is.
Ooh, it's
It look cool
finally
though.
complete. That
I want
car
to see the
just
white
makes me
rims. The
proud,
white
bro. I love it
rims
so much.
be so hard. I just hate the front girl. Front girl be so ugly. I hate that front girl.
I don't care.
Look at that boy. It's like the day I met him. Come on, bring me pussy. Bring me pussy. Oh, don't get too rough now. Don't get too rough with it.
The pink rims, the pink calibers fit it right.
It's been a long journey, Dave.
Well, that shit sound like a Honda.
I love you, man. Tell me your Instagram.
Mr. EK.
Mr. EK. Make sure you go follow him so he can ping
He
my-
might have a Honda.
Alright, y'all. So today's like the 17th.
Oh, he really
day.
loves
My
pink.
Chinese worker here. Finally complete. Ding wow, ding wow.
There's no way that is like of our culture.
I guess we're about to do the hard part now and put it back in the car.
And I'm here. I'm not gonna be doing nothing, but I'm gonna just be there for like support, just like mental support.
Big forehead ass.
So I'm cheering for y'all.
Yeah, this is the guy with the handicap. This is the most stressful part. I hate this part.
We gonna have to go get some scissors. We gonna cut the roof out, take it off, put the joint on there, and then.
This is not gonna work, buddy.
It's going to fucking.
You can tell he's roughing it.
Bro, you know, I'm done helping. Like, you gotta bend it. It's going straight and out.
You got the. You're good.
Should I let them hear the loudest guy before I dip? Don't look at the side skirt. It's not nothing.
What the is that?
That's really saucy.
Yeah, you need to trade this shit in.
Look, that shit got stolen.
Let's just wake up the whole neighborhood.
That shit ought to look hard.
Product of what you've
Are
created.
you about to do it right now?
Are you nervous? Are you scared?
Ow, okay.
What's wrong?
You can't even
I feel like you did shit.
And you got white teeth on the inside too.
3, 2, 1.
That's hard.
Deal. But bro, that shit is slight. I'm gonna change it 2 different colors. Oh my god. That's like the Waukee stamp. Like now it's stamped that this is the Waukee mobile.
I'm not gonna lie, this does actually look tough as shit.
It looks down.
That shit hard.
Better than like the Charger. Like,
Wait, do you think we could change the name now?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Get in the back, man, so I can record you in the back.
Huh?
Pause. Wow, man.
Yeah, I think you're right, Ali. I think we should cut it.
People doesn't love that shit.
Fucking Tanny back
Nah,
here.
this actually-
Exactly. We thinking the same thing.
Tanny back here is probably illegal.
I gotta get Starlights now.
Like you know it's there, but you gotta know it's there to
I
know
should
it's
just
there.
made a noodle as a noodle.
What?
Even though it's finished right now, we have to go on one more adventure to AutoZone because we need a dual cigarette plug so I can smoke more cigarettes. Well, I hear this is your first time being in here since it's been upgraded. Kinda sounds like
What number of horsepower is getting right now? I gotta be like get like 7. How did that car get up?
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This is what I was racing the other day.
no, this is actually faster than what you was racing the other day.
He's salty as fuck.
Damn, you're running away?
He's
He's not running away.
He's like,
Boy, trying to get back.
right now it's only like, this is probably like 700 horsepower, 700 something.
I was right.
12K.
He spent
that's
12K. Oh,
All that shit for, bro. Like, what the
yo, 1,000 horsepower and that car not too heavy and it's all-wheel drive.
I'm from Jersey. I'm glad. Like, it's just crazy being in different cars. You experience a lot of different shit.
You experience a lot of
Like,
different
Mopars,
things.
like, the takeoff is nothing like that. I promise you, it's nothing like that.
1,000 horsepower on that shit. Oh my gosh.
We have made it to AutoZone without dying. About to be the hard part, getting a 6'8" man out of
Man, if I had 1,000 horsepower, I don't even know what I'd do.
You can fit that in your pants, girl.
Paint?
I think you need paint.
Yeah, we definitely need to spray paint.
It don't fit?
I don't think this is gonna work, bro.
Think so?
Yo, no
where's
dildos
the
with lights.
where's the extendo?
Extendo.
That was like a quick one.
So do we plug up the stuff that we just stole right out front of the store?
There's no way they actually still are making order of
I
money.
ain't gonna lie, I don't know why I'm recording this. I'm recording a fucking...
It's no way.
No, I'm not. I'm
You're
literally...
a mastermind. Look at that.
That's actually a slicer right there.
Slicer.
Now, in theory, if it works, the plate should go down and the star
Them
should
jackets
be on.
gotta go. He got a web
And the
on the
star
arm.
should be on as well.
Yeah.
Bro, you f***ing did it, bro. You're a thief.
You AutoZone, you little.
You're a thief. I fuck with it, bruh. I fuck with the Beamer, bruh. I really do. 1,000 horsepower is crazy, though. The rapping went crazy. Bruh, 1,000 horsepower in a M4. That shit gotta be getting 0 to 16 like 2.7 seconds. That shit gotta be going McLaren speed, ain't it? Right? That shit gotta be going McLaren speed. We gonna copy his tags, bro. Wrong shit. I'll never do tags in my video. Let's see if this shit help my channel. But if you a YouTuber that do car content, if I had the money, I would do content like what he's doing. Len got the right shit going on. You know what I'm saying? All his thumbnails is hard. We went most wanted on Christmas. The police boxes, and this nigga be clickbait like crazy. I fuck with this content though.